Nice. All that I said was not recorded because the microphone was off. Great. So I'm gonna start by this plant. I'm gonna have to, yeah. And this plant, it already gave some tomatoes. It already produced some tomatoes. Ya produjo un poco de tomates el verano pasado. So I didn't even think that I could do this. Ni siquiera sabía que podía hacer esto que estoy haciendo ahora. That I could keep it alive. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see this. With this. Oh yeah. Yep. The plant doesn't look like it needs a lot more room. You don't see. There's not a lot of roots. You know. So maybe it was okay in the pot that it was. Quizá estaba bien en el pote que estaba. We're still gonna try to see what is it, you know, because like I don't know if this is pretty wet still. It's not dry at all. Esto no está seco. So the problem must be something else, because this is wet. It has a good amount of root. Okay, just to this pot here. There's not a lot of difference, but we'll see. So it could be a nutrient deficiency, but podría ser una deficiencia nutricional, and I just have no idea. Right? Because I'm not a tomato expert person. No soy un experto en tomates ni nada. Okay, I think that's enough. So we're gonna have to decide something here. I'm gonna have to decide what to do with this. Should I cut some of this growth? Debería cortar algo de esto and hope for some new growth come in the bottom. Y ojalá esperar que salga nuevo crecimiento acá por abajo. Maybe the plant is too long and it shouldn't have been like this. Quizás el planta está demasiado larga y no debería haber estado así. Maybe I should just do an extreme pruning. Yeah, voy a hacer una poda extrema. Because they said that the plant should be like 3 times the size of the pot, so that would be probably till here. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. Yeah, right there, right here where it has the new growth. Okay, maybe here, right here. That's enough for now. Like, I think I'm just gonna see what happens. Voy a esperar a ver qué pasa. If this helps at all the plant, si es que esto ayuda en algo a la planta. It's also my first time growing tomatoes indoor. También es mi primera vez creciendo planta de tomate adentro. So, yep. Should go like that. Yeah, because I have 3 branches here. I have this one, that one, and that one. So maybe Yeah, you know what? We're gonna get rid of this one too. Vamos a cortar esta. This is bugging me. Right there. There you go. And if it becomes bushier, well, that's what we want, right? Because I have new growth happening there, and more there. Well, here at the top too. That I'm probably gonna prune after, I think. Then, yeah. So we're just gonna keep it like that, I think. Yeah, just place it over here. If anyone of you know that maybe the problem here could be the lights, that is too much light, that are too close to the light or something like that, let me know please, because I have no idea. Yeah, so I don't think I even need to tie it. Ni siquiera necesito usar la cuerdita. Right now, just gonna let it grow like that. Yeah, because that's the other thing. How often you water your tomatoes? Like a plant like this. ¿Qué tan seguido la riegas? Una planta como esta. Once a week, twice a week, every day, una vez a la semana, dos veces a la semana, todos los días. I was watering these plants twice a week. Estaba regando estas plantas yo 2 veces a la semana. Then I bought a hygrometer or whatever, like a humidity meter, un medidor de humedad. We compré uno de esos, and I was putting it on the soil, and it would tell me that it was too wet. So then I started watering them only once a week. So that's one of the things that I did change. So now we're gonna work with this one. In this case, see, I can't prune here at the top because I have the fruits. I have the tomatoes already. Así que aquí no puedo hacer ese corte arriba. But what we are going to do, lo que vamos a hacer, just gonna change it. We're gonna repot it. That's it. Vamos a ponerle este otro pote. And maybe I don't even need to move it. It'll be good if I don't have to move it. But it's pretty warm in here, huh? Bien caluroso acá con estas luces, so I'm still thinking about that. Is it too many lights? These tomato plants, I really need to transplant. Necesito trasplantar esas dos plantitas de tomate. So we're gonna add some soil here first. Let's see. Oh, this is okay. So this one is way wetter. Está más mojada, está más húmeda. So the issue with this one could be even that it didn't spread enough roots. El problema con esto es que quizás no tiró demasiadas raíces o... Let's see. No, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out. Okay. Necesita mucho más suelo. Now we just... That's good. These two tomato plants here, I need to repot. Those two seedlings. That's gonna be a different video, of course. Yeah, let's hope I can save these plants now. Because like I said, the two plants, the one that I just repotted and this, las dos plantas, la que acabo de cambiar de macetero y esta, I started them in the summer outside, I mean, in the balcony. And then I brought them in. So it'd be interesting to know. I mean, this one already produced tomatoes and flowers, you know, but I want to know if he can continue doing it. Quiero saber si que va a continuar haciéndolo. Tengo que arreglar esto un poco, a ver. When I started growing these plants, I only had a light up here. Cuando traje estas plantas para acá tenía solamente una luz ahí arriba. And it was very high, the light. La luz estaba demasiado alta, so I know that didn't help because they started growing pretty long and tall. Ya, las plantas empezaron a crecer súper alta, larga, flaca. Okay, so that's all I can do for now, I think. So, todo lo que puedo hacer ahora, wait and see, esperar y ver qué pasa. We can also water this. También las podemos regar. But that's it, right? Let's hope these plants get better, survive and everything. Ojalá que sobreviva las plantas. And that's it. I'm gonna make a video of this also too. Yeah, vamos a hacer un video sobre esta torre. See you later. Thank you. Bye. Ciao. This is how the plant is after the pruning. Después de la poda, you can see some remnants, algunos vestigios, and it's doing pretty well, as you can see. It has two big tomatoes, tiene dos tomates grandes, and lots of new growth. Another tomato there, bunch of flowers. So yeah, being that drastic didn't kill the plant. And it's interesting to think, very interesante pensar que esta planta estuvo afuera en el balcón, was outside in the balcony during the summer, Canadian summer, right? So I brought it in September, end of September. A fines de septiembre la entré, la planta. And now we are in January. Estamos en enero ahora. And it's going tomatoes again. Has a bunch of flowers again. So think about that. Ya estamos en enero ahora. Y la planta está como si estuviera en primavera. It's like almost like it was on spring. That's pretty cool, considering that it's like -10 outside. Considerando que afuera tenemos temperaturas de -10 grados.